guys, are you welcome here? So if you welcome here, please like and subscribe. So if you don't welcome here, like, because you already subscribed. So I use this Mobizen because you didn't see this recorder over there. So next, how to do this to your recorder. So you have to go to the settings. Go to the settings. Then here it goes. And we can add some mic or mute or system sounds. Let's mic. And we can do this. And this is how you do this. This is how I do like these two. If I touch anything. Show touch creatures. Finish creatures using a white dot. See? So this is how you do this to your screen recorder, right? I'm going to YouTube. I think my tummy was starving. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!